Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for hopping on today. So today's video is going to be a little DIY. It is a project that is way overdue. So I thought summertime, best time to do this. So if you've been watching my channel, this is a bucket full of stickers that I need to put together as a DIY sticker organizer using the disc systems by Happy Planner. So if you guys want to check out this video, then keep on watching. So hey there friends, I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping things fun and functional here on my YouTube channel. I'm really passionate about planning and staying creative, and this is my studio space, and today we're putting together a project that is way overdue. So I have this clear bin full of miscellaneous stickers that I've collected, and I told myself that I needed to sit down and take time to do this. So I thought today was the perfect time to do that. So I have these sticker sheets. A lot of it is Happy Planner, and then I have these adhesive snap-in tabs. You could totally make your own. I've done this once before on my channel a long time ago. If I can find the video, I will post it down below. But I thought, let's see how many I can put together, and then if I need more, I will go to Joann's. There is a Joann's close to me that I get these, but you can totally make these yourself. It's just double-sided adhesive, and now they have a punch, which actually I have, or Memory Keepers. We Are Memory Keepers has this handheld punch. I actually got mine at Michael's in store, but you can find it on Amazon, Joann's. So yeah, you could totally make your own, or if you have the big or the classic size punch, either one of those would work. So I have those, and I have some discs here. I usually use the extended disc, which I call like extra large disc. So I'll use those. So let's just go ahead and get started and see what I have in here. So I thought this would be a fun project. If you're new and you have a lot of random sticker sheets, this is a way to put some of your sticker books in order, or sticker sheets in order, and keep them more organized. These are all Live, Love, Posh. I don't think I'm going to use those. I just want to work with the Happy Planner stickers, and these I pulled last year to take with me my trip to Texas. These are not Happy Planner stickers. These were stickers given to me for Happy Mail. So I'm going to set those aside because I kind of want to work with Happy Planner sheets first. Again, I just used this bin to put a lot of stickers in. And it's been sitting under my desk, and I just wanted to take the time to be a little bit more organized and see what I have. I just refreshed my stickers, so hopefully you guys check that out. So I know I want to use these. Those don't have the holes up at the top. Because I really want to buckle down on using a lot of my stickers, which a lot of it is Happy Planner. And then maybe change things up in my space, you know, refresh that. It just keeps things fresh, you know what I mean? Like you don't get bored of your space, and so I love reorganizing it. Okay, so some of these sheets too are from the Happy Planner companion packs or accessory packs, where they came with like 1 to 2 sheets of stickers. The ones with the holes up at the top, random stickers that I have pulled, or they just came apart and I just put them in there. This one was part of the cover of Create Your Own Sticker Book. I personally like this method better with the disc system. I don't like the whole create your own sticker book. I don't think it's that easy to flip through. It's just my personal opinion. Okay, so I wonder if this, yeah, these are a little bit smaller. So I don't know about that one. Set these two to the side, or should I put that with that? Okay, I know I want to do this one. What else is in here? So I have These are all the cat ones. So a lot of these are the dashboard sticker packs. This was just cut from one of the big sticker sticks that they used to do. And what I mean by dashboard, I actually have one here because I'm thinking about using it as a cover. This was like a dashboard pack that they used to do, and they had stickers on it, and they don't really do that anymore. So I just want to organize these. Put that one over here. So like these go together, and I kind of want to keep the ones that go together. This one's kind of messed up. So maybe it'll be right. Like this one was in a Happy Planner kit. Oh, and then I have this. I know I can put in there, but I can probably put that over there. There's the kitty one. And then some of this was given to me in Happy Mail. Put those over here so I can work through these. I think these actually are for I pulled these out for my mom. She's a nurse. She just got a new job, which is exciting. I'm actually going to take this off since it's already peeling off. It's starting to peel, and set those aside. I meant to mail those out for her. I actually have a little gift to give to her for her birthday. Okay, I'm going to put that there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go through all of these really quickly. So these here are like random sheets that I could possibly use in my ERIN CONDREN. So I need to set those aside because there's no point in putting those in that. So they're like random loose sheets that come with an accessory pack or a kit of some sort. And I think some of these are like for the big. These especially are for the big. So I don't know about these and where I'm going to put these. I may just put them on my Alex drawer. I have a drawer full of random sticker sheets. That's where I keep my large Mambi sticks. That's what these are. These are old Mom Life and Fitness ones. So those I may put there, except for these, because these have really great headers that I think would be perfect for my EC Petite. So I'll have to figure out those. And then I had this random one. This goes in the Mega Sticker Book all in this season or all in one season or something like that. So I'll just have to stick with that back in the book. Then I have these, which these two I'm probably going to condense to one page. I'll just take the plastic part off and condense to one page. And then I'll put that with that one. So I'm going to start out with these since they don't have the holes in the top, and then we'll move on to those and see where we're at. Let's take the first pack here, and it's a 12 count single if you count it singly, but we're going to use both sides. Essentially it'll give me 24 sheets to use. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a thick cardboard. This is punched. Again, you can make your own with just cutting this down to size and adding your own adhesive and punching it out. But it's just this film here, and this part is sticky. And you want to take, I'm gonna start with this pack first because I love the cats and they're my favorite. So you kind of just line it up. Doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. Then you take the back side film off. You place your other sticker down. And yeah, this is super easy to recreate yourself. I'm just wanting to get this done and out of the way, and I didn't want to cut a bunch of paper down and pre-punch that and use a lot of my adhesive, so I just bought these because they still have these in my store. So now I'm going to go through all of these and put these together. I only have 2 left, so that's 4 sheets. And I kind of paired the ones that I had in this stack with the holes up at the top. So I could go ahead and, you know, get those together. So it looks like I'm going to need probably just 1 more, honestly. But I like to pick up 2 just to be safe, because I feel like a lot of my sticker books are kind of falling apart. And this is also a good way of using the disc system to put together a travel sticker book. So like say you're traveling and you want to take some stickers with you, you can rearrange them because the disc system allows you to rearrange it easily, pulling it out, you know. So that's a awesome thing about using the disc system. I really like that. So I can rearrange this and organize them by function or by season if I wanted to put something seasonally together. But again, this would be really great to take something on the go, especially if you're going to a planner conference or if you're going on vacation and you get in some me time. I would definitely recommend this. And if you have a lot of loose sticker sheets. And you can totally just make your own. Like, I think I may have to do that with like some of these stickers that I've gotten from Happy Mail. Like, I'll have to measure it out and punch it out because this is a lot smaller. So this is probably going to be like a 8. So what is that, like, isn't that like an A5 size maybe? I don't really know. And I also like that this adhesive here was, you saw that it was just really easy to pull up. So you could also use adhesive that is removable. I think Tombow makes one. I think it's the green one. So that was the very last one. And I got all these punched on there. It is kind of humid in my office. It is very hot this summer, or for us in SoCal. I know it's nothing like compared to Texas. I have family in Texas and it's like in the hundreds. So it's kind of humid in my office today. Yeah, so it's easy to readjust it just in case. Like if you place it a little crooked, it still has that sticky part showing, which you don't want because then I'll have stuff sticking to it. But I'm so glad I got this done. So I have a cat theme, cat lady theme. Oh, it's so cute. I love these stickers. I really wish I had another pack of those, but I have plenty. I have the back to school one. And then for the, I don't know what this was. I guess it was a back to school or it was a kid's one, but the unicorn one, I just picked the functional boxes. I didn't keep the whole stickers. I think I'm gonna give those away. And then I just picked one sheet with the unicorns because I didn't need all those stickers. I can definitely pass those along to someone else. So now I just have these sheets left, which again, I think I just need 1 pack, but I will probably pick up another one. All right, so I will put this back in my bin for another day until I can get another one. And then I had this one, but these are like tabs. So actually I need to set this somewhere else so I can use these. Those are like little tabs to categorize or divide your planner up. Then I had this one with all these quotes on it. I don't know if I necessarily need these. These 2 here. I don't know, some of them are just redundant. So they're really old Happy Planner quotes. We'll see. Just put those in this stack and paper clip these together, or binder clip these together. I have so many binder clips back in my little bin. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick some disc to place this on. I'm hoping I have enough of this color. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so what I'm using for the cover of this is I'm taking 2 thick dashboards that are from the Happy Planner and placing them front and back. I wish that it was clear, but it'll have to do for now. I think what you could do is just laminate and make your own covers, or you can go to the Dollar Tree and take the cutting mats or table mats and cutting those down to size, because they're a little bit thicker and I think they would be easier to cut too, using a just a small craft slicer like this one here. So all I'm doing is taking it and cutting the tab off here because I don't need the tabs. And there we go. If this bugs you here, you could just file it down, but it's not really sharp. So now I have a sturdy cover, and so these discs are okay, and then I'm going to add more to it, but it is a pain in the butt trying to get this all on here at first, but then once you start to fill it up, it starts to flip a lot easier, and so you don't have to worry about that. Just take your time. I know it's a little bumpy at first trying to put, you know, pages on the disc system, but once you start, you know, inserting more pages, it starts to work better. So I put these sticky notes in here. I don't want to cut the tabs because I really like that sticking out of a planner, so I kind of left it on there. But you could always, you know, take those off and then add your own tabs if you wanted to, but I just decided to leave that on there. So there is my sticker book finally organized with all those sheets, and I only have a little bit more to go with these, but just wanted to share that quick little project with you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and got an idea on how to store or reorganize some of your loose leaf sticker sheets using the disc system. As always, I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.